Hello, everyone. So today we're going to graph some more systems of equations, but we're going to combine what we did Monday and yesterday with what we're going to do today. So here we have two equations. The first one is going to be in slope-intercept form, and the second one we're going to have to solve for. So in red, I'm going to put this red dot so you know that this equation is in red, and this is also number one on your assignment. So I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3 with you, and then you got 4, 5, and 6 on your own. So here, y equals 2x plus 5. Again, the red dot's there because I'm putting it in red. So we start at 5, we go up to 1, 2, over 1. And remember, your computer program will automatically make that line. I will make a ugly version of that line by hand drawing it. Okay, but remember, your Edulastic will automatically make that line when you plot it. Now in blue, x plus y equals 8. We have to solve that. So that means over here on the side, on our scrap piece of paper, right, our notebook, we're going to have x plus y, equals 8. We have to minus x from both sides. Y drops down, and we'll get y equals negative x, or negative 1x if you want to put that, plus 8. So in blue, right, we put a blue dot there. We're going to start at 8. We're going to go down 1, over 1, and that will be your line right there. Okay, so you can see the difference between the red line and the blue line, and of course they intersect right at that point 1, 7. So now, if you want to jump ahead, this one is just like number 4. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 and 3 with you as well. This number 1 right here is like number 4. All right, the next one, number 2. Again, we'll do the first one in red. Y equals 6x minus 1. So we're going to start here at negative 1. And we're going to go up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. And I'm right there. And again, the ugly line. Remember, it plots it for you on your software. Okay, let me just scroll down the design a little bit better. Okay, and we got a big dot here, right, and a big dot there. Okay, so that's the red line. Now for the blue line, well, I can't graph it yet, I have to solve it. So I'm going to have negative 3x plus y equals 2. Okay, now I've got to move the entire 3x over. So I'm going to add 3x to both sides. Y drops down, equals x term first, plus 2. Okay, now I'm ready to graph this guy right here in blue. So we start at 2. Here we go up 3 over 1. And there is my line, and that's where they intersect. Okay, so you get a big old dot on 2 and a big old dot right on 1, 5. And this one is going to be just like number 5. Okay, whether you want to pause the video here, jump ahead to number 5, however you want to do it. This is number 2. All right, and the last one I'm going to do with you, number 3. Again, the first one we're able to graph just on its own, starting at negative 3, counting up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 2. And again, I will make the ugly line here. There we go. And remember, it does it for you on Edulastic. I'm just kind of doing it by hand because it's easier for you guys to see. Okay, now for the blue line, right? Blue line, we got 3x plus 2y equals 10. Okay, now we have to subtract 3x from both sides first. Move over your x term first. So we'll get 2y equals negative 3x plus 10. Now I'm going to get rid of the 2, so I'm going to divide by 2. I'm going to divide each term by 2. And this will get me y equals negative 3 over 2 cannot be simplified. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So for the blue line, I'm going to start at 5. And my slope is negative 3 over 2. So I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 2. Okay. And there is my blue line. All right, so if those lines don't touch, you know you did something wrong. If they don't touch at an intersection, you did something wrong. And remember, this is also going to be just like number 6. So number 6 and number 3 are very similar.